welcome to my channel. For this Navratri, I have created a Garba Night makeup look for Dusky skins, and it is a super matte look with a glowy finish. And you all know that Garba Night means full of dance. When you dance, you will sweat. So this look stays for 5 hours even after your dance. So let's begin the video. First of all, start with the skincare. I have already moisturized my lips with this sugar lip balm. Before moisturizer, I am going to spit a face mist which is from the Bella Vita brand. This mist is suitable for all type of skin. It is very soothing. It has some little moist and very little fragrance. I will tell you full details of this face mist in my upcoming videos. Now wait for some times to absorb. After it absorbs, I am going to apply a moisturizer. Moisturizer from the brand Re-Equal. You all know that this is a oil-free moisturizer which is best suitable base for oil skin. So I am applying all over my face and neck. Next step is sunscreen. For sunscreen, here I am using a Neutrogena Ultra Matte Dry Touch Sunscreen which has SPF 50 plus plus. This is a very important step. Even if you are in indoor, you should apply a sunscreen to prevent your skin from UV radiations. So I am taking here a small amount of sunscreen and applying all over my face. Initially, this sunscreen gives white cast, but later within a few minutes white cast will not visible. It absorbs to your skin. So apply well and leave it for some time. If you give 10 minutes after your skincare and before your makeup, then your makeup stays long and your base will look very smooth and finished. On that time, I am removing my excess brow hairs. Okay, now let's start the makeup with the primer. The primer which I'm using here is Lakme Absolute Blur Perfect Primer. Seriously guys, this primer perfectly blur your face and it has a pinkish tone. I have to wait for 2-3 minutes to settle down this primer onto my skin. Now I'm going to do eye makeup. So I'm using this Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer. Shade I didn't remember, but I will mention in my description box. This is my new pack and I'm using for the first time. So I'm just checking out is this working or not. And I'm going to apply this on my lid and blend it with a clean beauty blender. Going to set this eyelid with a loose powder from the brand Maybelline. The palette which I am going to use here is Revolution Tummy X Carnival palette. I am going to make eye look with these 3 combo colors. For transition shade, I am using this pinkish purple color, and at the middle of the lid I applied yellow. Then I thought it is not looking charming, so I applied a glitter shade from the Wet n Wild palette in the middle of my eyelid. Now I am removing fallout from the face and now correcting my pigmented area with the Revolution Orange Corrector. This time I am blending with my fingers to blend smooth. Next, gonna highlight my center of the face. So applying concealer on under eye area, forehead, around mouth. Next is foundation. For foundation, here I am using a Nykaa Skin Shield Genius foundation. This is in shade Mystic Maple. Actually, foundation is not needed cause my concealer covered all over my face. But this foundation is warm in shade and also it is a matte. To give a sharp look, I am not going to use a contour. Other than using this Fit Me concealer which is 2 shades lighter for me, I am applying on my jaw lines to give a sharp look. Now gonna set my full face with matte loose powder which is from the brand Maybelline. This is a medium dark shade, I think. For this makeup look, I have used a matte products only, cause so that it doesn't turns oily quickly and it never melts from your face while you are dancing. Now correcting my eye edges, and for liner I'm using a Faces Canada, and I'm drawing a wing liner. And for brows I'm using a Wet n Wild brow kit. And for kajal I'm using a Faces Canada kajal. Now smudging my lower waterline with a flat smudging brush, it turns eyes beautiful and bigger. For this look, big eyes are more beautiful than normal eyes. And for blush and a highlighter, I'm using a Revolution blush palette. The blush which I'm showing here, I'm using this blush. And for a highlighter, I'm using a dark pink highlighting shade. Now on my outer line of my black eyeliner I am going to apply a glitter silver eyeliner from the brand Swiss Beauty. At night it will give a superb nice look on your eyes. Almost done guys, but I'm very confused about my lipstick, so before that I have to wear my outfit, then only I will decide. So yeah, this is my outfit and my hair was done. Now I decided which lipstick should I have to wear. This is from the Maybelline brand. This shade name is Brick Red, I think. This lipstick suits well. Now I have fixed my lashes and applying mascara on it. Now makeup is done and completed with the bindi. Yes guys, this is my final Garba Night makeup look with a costume and a jewelry. Hope you liked it, loved it. If you liked it, please give me a thumbs up and tell me in a comment section, and this is my Instagram ID. Please go and check it out there. And if you are a dusky, oily skin and for this Navratri you are going for a Garba dance means you can definitely try this makeup. Hope you liked it. If you liked it, please share with your friends and families. So yeah, happy Navaratri to all of you. Bye bye.